Imagine capturing the essence of the Mediterranean sun in a single spoonful, smooth, golden, and rich with flavor. That's the experience of Greek olive oil, a timeless staple that has nourished civilizations and inspired generations of cooks. But what makes Greek olive oil truly unique? The answer lies in its diverse types, its powerful health benefits, and its unmatched culinary versatility. Greece is one of the oldest and most respected olive oil producing nations in the world. Its olive groves stretch across hillsides and islands, nurtured by centuries of tradition and ideal climate conditions. Greek olive oil is more than an ingredient, it's a cultural icon. And understanding its types and uses is the first step toward mastering Mediterranean cooking. At the heart of Greek olive oil is the extra virgin category. This is the highest quality, made from pure, cold-pressed olives with no chemicals or industrial refining. It's rich in antioxidants, low in acidity, and bursting with a fruity, peppery taste. Within this category, you'll find regional variations like Koroneiki from Crete, with its bold and aromatic character, or Athenolia from the Peloponnese, known for its smoother, buttery notes. Virgin olive oil, a step below extra virgin, still carries significant flavor and health benefits, though it's slightly higher in acidity. Then there's pure or refined olive oil, which is milder and ideal for high-heat cooking but lacks the nutritional complexity of virgin varieties. Each type of Greek olive oil brings something different to the table. For drizzling over salads, fresh bread, or grilled vegetables, extra virgin is irreplaceable. Its bold flavor enhances raw dishes and adds complexity. When sautéing or roasting, virgin or pure olive oil offers stability without overpowering the ingredients. But olive oil isn't just for cooking. It's also used for marinating, baking, and even as a finishing touch on soups or stews. Greek cuisine thrives on the liberal and intelligent use of olive oil. Think of spanakopita with its golden layers, or a slow-cooked lamb dish where the olive oil acts as both a flavor carrier and tenderizer. When choosing your olive oil, always look for harvest dates, origin, and cold press labels. Greek olive oil is best stored in a cool, dark place, away from light and heat, to preserve its quality and health-promoting properties. To fully appreciate Mediterranean cooking, one must first understand its soul, and that soul is Greek olive oil. Are you ready to elevate your kitchen with the richness of this ancient elixir? What's your favorite way to use Greek olive oil in your cooking? Share your thoughts in the comments and join the flavor-filled conversation.